Welcome to Unit 2. Today, we're exploring House Florida, a single-family home renovation project located in the Florida neighborhood of Vicente López District, Argentina. This house is the work of Robles Arquitectos and was completed in 2024, with a total floor area of approximately 150 square meters. The neighborhood where this house is situated is predominantly made up of single-story chalet-style homes, characterized by exposed brick walls and traditional colonial-style tiled roofs. It is within this context that the project stands, offering a contemporary approach while still respecting the character of its surroundings. This renovation is not just an aesthetic upgrade, but a complete transformation of how the interior spaces function. The original house had a less-than-ideal layout, disconnected rooms with no visual continuity, poor circulation, and minimal natural light and ventilation. The architect's main intervention was to reorganize the zoning between public and private areas. They created a more efficient circulation path through a central corridor that links all parts of the home cohesively. This gave the house a more structured organization while reinforcing the relationships between spaces. Structurally, the project was also quite significant. Several old elements had to be demolished to open up space and support the original roof structure, which was preserved. The staircase was repositioned to create a new, clearer, and more intentional point of access, making the interior spatial experience feel more natural and fluid. rear of the house became the focal point of the project. A large window was installed to blur the boundary between the social interior spaces and the garden outside. This opening creates a strong visual and physical connection to the outdoors, making the communal areas feel larger and more vibrant. At the front, a minimalist white wall with a hidden sliding door provides a sense of privacy while projecting a modern image. Interestingly, the old tiled roof remains visible behind this wall, subtly contrasting the contemporary architectural language with the legacy of local architectural heritage. Through a sensitive yet forward-thinking approach, House Florida breathes new life into an old home without erasing its historical footprint. It's a compelling example of how design can honor the past while opening up new possibilities for the future.